Sounds of the Ocean, coming soon to all theaters.
La. Oh, a seashell! I just love seashells. Golly gee. Seashells this, seashells that. Seashells that make me wallet fat. Oh, I just gotta have it for myself, don't you know that? No! Don't put that seashell up on your ear, or else you experience the death of 1,000 million. Shut up! Ow! I'm melting. No. Now that's all taken care of. Yeah. Alright, now take the seashell. Yeah. Wow, that sounded really pretty. Wow, I just gotta listen to that one more time. Wow, that's one, thank God. Praise for the 13th music. Scary background. There's no music. There is some music. Yeah. Please. Oh my God, I hate this. Wait a second. Oh my God, this one's not even a lobster! Oh my God, I need help. Doctor, please. Oh my doctor. Doctor. Doctor, please.
What you need?
I got these lobsters. They be sprouting out of my ears.
Why don't we take a look?
Wait, you only have 4? Oh my God, you only have 4. That is pathetic. Unicorn! Really? A unicorn? 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 But the unicorn pierced my heart. This sucks.